This is the CA-19 Boomerang, and that is something that has actually a huge legacy here at Hearns Hobbies. This is what the Hearns brothers, the three original brothers that opened Hearns Hobbies, this is what they flew.
What's going on?
Have you been TikTok dancing again?
I have.
Is it?
Yep. Isn't that what it is?
Well, I know we tried earlier, but we upset somebody.
Oh, did we?
Yeah.
Shame. They don't understand.
HR said it was a workplace safety measure.
When I got up on top of the ladder.
The way that I was hoiking you up off my shoulders. They didn't. They said
we wanted to show that you could balance the tip of the ladder on your finger while I was standing on it.
That's right. How are you, Kobes?
I'm good. I'm good. It's busy.
Welcome in.
Have we got some stuff for you? Oh my god.
Yeah, well, that's why I sort of got to jump up with my very limited knowledge, and I was saying that this is the CA-19 Boomerang.
Yeah.
It's the very same model that was flown by the Hearns brothers.
Correct.
Who started Hearns back in 1947.
They would have flown on the other ones we got in as well.
Yeah, but tell us about this. What is it?
It's an Australian-built fighter plane. So this was the answer to not having enough fighter aircraft to defend Darwin and to fight over in Asia Pacific.
And who makes this model kit?
Special Hobby.
Special Hobby.
They're from Europe.
Europe?
Yeah, they're over in Czech or somewhere.
Are they?
But this is a new mold from 2024.
That's where my Skoda's from.
Is it? Oh, Skoda.
Skoda.
I heard something different there.
From my Skoda.
But this box art is absolutely brilliant. It's really, really nice. Lovely detail. This has symbolic relevance to Geelong Cats. Yeah, that's what they think it stands for. Anyway, we'll have a look in there and I'll talk about it more.
Really?
Yeah, because it's like a cat in the Geelong colours. They think it pays homage to Geelong Cats, who are the second oldest football team in Australia.
So this
Hepcat.
Hepcat?
Yeah. And then they painted like a Geelong cat on the side.
Probably because the pilot liked
Geelong, or probably knew family that played for them, or
there you go.
So this is a very iconic Australian aircraft.
The other kind of Melburnians, right?
The Bogans.
Don't say that about people from Geelong.
My mum will appreciate that. She's from there.
She?
Yeah, she lives there. So
you can't call your mum a Bogan.
Yes, I can.
Right.
Absolutely. She's the best Bogan, the best kind of Bogan.
Is it?
So looking through the instructions, they've given you coloured diagrams, which is nice.
Why?
Because you know what colour to paint it straight on the back.
Okay.
So you know that like this is going to be green and that's all got to be black, and you know this is blue.
I'm guessing.
So you got like really nice detail on your gun sight.
I absolutely love this cane. I find it like almost comical. It's like one of those planes with really small wings and big motor.
Big fat plane.
Like the GB. That's my favourite.
It is pretty weird, isn't it?
I love it. Looks like a fast plane. Was it fast?
No.
Oh, okay.
It was kind of slow, actually.
Was it?
It was just designed to get us out of trouble while we waited for Spitfires and whatnot.
Well, there you go.
There you go. There's one in, I saw one just down the road where the B-24 Liberator is. There's a guy restoring one there.
Is there?
And there's one flying in Europe.
Is it a good mold? Is it all new molding? Is it an old mold? What is it? Is it just the mold in general?
They've just updated the mold.
Oh, there you go.
I don't know how brand spanking new it is, but there's new parts in there. They've redesigned a couple of things.
Your brand spanking. So check that baby out. What else did we got?